use the given information to write a proof. Prove that CG segment is congruent to AE segment. On this diagram we have given that DF, let me write DF segment is congruent to segment BF. What else? We have that FA is congruent to FC and is also congruent to DF and BF. Let me write on that FA is congruent to FC. What else we have here? Because these two lines cut at point F, it means that we have here vertical angles, and we know that vertical angles are congruent. So we can write that angle DFA is congruent to angle BFC. So now if we have two sides and angles between these two sides which are congruent, it means that by side angle side congruence postulate triangle DFA is congruent to triangle BFC. It means that corresponding parts of our triangles are congruent. So we can write that here we have angle 1 and here angle 2. And angle 1 is congruent to angle 2 because these two triangles are congruent. So what else? We have that FC is congruent to FA. And angle EFA is congruent to angle GFC because these two angles are vertical angles because these two lines cut at point F. So this angle is congruent to that angle because they are vertical angles. So let me write this, that angle EFA is congruent to angle GFC. So now if we have that these two angles are congruent and the sides between these two angles are congruent, we can write that by angle side angle congruence postulate triangle EFA is congruent to triangle GFC. So it means that corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So let me write this. It means that corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So we have that C, G, and AE are congruent. So this is my solution.